Training, transforming thousands of children into confident lifelong readers across India and globally. She's the founder of Kiddy Do. Oh, that's a cute name. She's the founder of Kiddy Do, an institute dedicated to fostering early literacy, empowering parents and training educators. She's a dedicated mother, raising screen-free, book-loving children. And you need to teach us all to do that. Achieving only 2 hours of family screen time in 30 days. Only 2 hours in 30 days? Do the maths, you'll figure out what she's doing. The magic she's doing. And reading 80 plus books in 3 months. That's definitely magical. And she's a certified parenting coach, empowering parents with proven strategies for digital detox, effective communication, value-based parenting, and a staunch advocate of child-centric learning. Her mantra is teach the way the child learns, not the way you want to teach. Over to you, ma'am. The stage is all yours.
So I have a quick question for all of you. It's a rapid fire round. What is the first word that comes to your head when you hear the word academics? I'll go first. Books.
Grades. Study.
Exams.
Boring.
And what is the first word that comes to your mind that when you hear the word education?
Knowledge.
Paisa.
One more response, please. Career. Yes, great. So today I'm going to take you on a journey of a little tortoise who's gonna actually tell us what education and what academics is. एक कछुआ था, थोड़ा अलग था. He was calm, curious and content with his slow pace until one day he realized that the world was rushing past him. FOMO. And he said to himself, कुछ तो मिस हो रहा है लाइफ में. लेकिन एक आइडिया निकाली, academics. He hopped on his skates and indeed he moved much faster than he thought. And he was so obsessed with the speed that he forgot and he started ignoring things around himself, like the warmth of the sun, the rustling of the leaves, meeting and greeting his friends on the way, and learning the lessons which the journey teaches us. इस भाग दौड़ में बहुत कुछ पीछे छूट गया था. We often confuse academics with education. चाबुक के डर से तो सर्कस का शेर भी कुर्सी पे बैठना सीख जाता है. और ऐसे शेर को हम वेल ट्रेन्ड कहते हैं, वेल एजुकेटेड नहीं. And then he took a pause. Exhausted and overwhelmed, he began to reflect. I feel we can resonate with this. इस जिंदगी की भाग दौड़ में हम इतना कुछ पीछे छोड़ जाते हैं. Hopping on the academic skates would give us degree, would give us career, would give us money, fame. But the academic skates sadly fail to teach us how to deal with a heartbreak, how to regulate our emotions, and how to cope up with grief, manage stress. इसलिए जिंदगी में काबिल बनो, काबिल बनना इम्पॉर्टेंट है कामयाबी के लिए. तो दोस्तों, कामयाबी के पीछे मत भागो. अगर आप काबिल हो तो कामयाबी छक मार के आपके पास है. And he kept on reflecting कि क्यों आज वो जिंदगी के इस मुकाम पे है. And he asked himself, what do you think is the biggest waste of time? Comparing to others. That's what he did in the first place. And in academics, we often do that. Compare. And academics thrive on comparisons, ranks, grades, competitions. But compare करेंगे तो जिंदगी में निराशा ही मिलेगी हमें. He kept thinking harder because his life journey was teaching him something great and profound. And he said himself, what is the life's greatest virtue? Being kind to yourself is one of the greatest kindness. Let us not be our harshest critic, but become our biggest cheerleader. Let us not cry over our failures, but it's okay to cry. It's okay to not have a plan. It's okay to be vulnerable. It's okay to fail. And it's okay to get rejected sometimes. And it is absolutely okay to not to be okay. No academics ever gonna teach us this. In this fast-paced world, we are running, we are multitasking because academic tells us instant results. We keep focusing on instant results. But education tells us ठहराव जरूरी है. Slow is beautiful. When I say slow is beautiful, I don't mean that we are lazy or we are unambitious. It's just that we live intentionally, cherishing every moment. क्योंकि बाबू मशाई जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, लंबी नहीं. Unlearning, where I would want all of us to unlearn work-life balance to life-work balance, where life comes first. Let us give priority to life. क्योंकि जिंदगी पहले मिली, काम बाद में मिला. Let us prioritize our life and allow work to support it. अगर हम ऐसा करेंगे तो जिंदगी की छोटी मोटी रेस में हारने से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. जिंदगी में कुछ मिस नहीं होने वाला है. और अगर कुछ मिस हो गया तो फोमो को जोमो बना लो. Fear of missing out? No. Joy of missing out. And this tortoise learned this lesson which no institute gonna teach us ever. Thank you so much, and I would end with a note. दिल में सुकून होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आँखों में चाहे कितने भी सपने भर लो. सीखने का जुनून होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, लेकिन जीने का सुकून भी होना ज़रूरी है.